How to enable dark mode on TikTok. So go ahead and launch your TikTok application. Log into your specific account, and then after, select Profile from the bottom right corner of your screen to go to your profile page. Then select three lines in the top right. Go to Settings and Privacy. From Settings and Privacy page, you need to scroll all the way down, and under Preferences section, you'll get the option of Display, which is between Language and Accessibility. Go ahead and select it, and you have three options to go for, either light, dark, or user device settings. If your device is in the dark mode and you enable this one, your TikTok will also go in the dark mode, but if not, it won't be set to dark mode. So in order to do that, simply go ahead and select dark and you'll be done. So this way you can easily go ahead and enable dark mode on your TikTok application. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.